Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore FIRA, a unique site located on the stunning island of Santorini, Greece.
FIRA, also known as Thera, is the capital and main town of the Greek island of Santorini, located in the Aegean Sea. It is known for its stunning views of the caldera, the volcanic crater that forms the island, and the Aegean Sea. The city is built on the edge of a cliff, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. It is considered one of the most photographed spots in Greece, attracting thousands of tourists every year. FIRA has a long history, dating back to the ancient city of Thera, which was destroyed by a volcanic eruption in the 17th century BC. The town was rebuilt on the same spot, and has since developed into a thriving tourist destination, offering a unique blend of history and natural beauty. FIRA is home to a number of historical landmarks and monuments, including the remains of the Venetian castle, the Cathedral of St. John, and the Municipal Museum of Thera. The town also boasts a variety of restaurants, cafes, bars, and shops, as well as a vibrant nightlife scene. For those looking to explore the natural beauty of Santorini, FIRA is a great starting point. The town is surrounded by stunning landscapes, including the caldera, the Aegean Sea, and the beautiful beaches of Cameri and Pyrrhissa. Additionally, FIRA is a popular starting point for boat tours to the nearby volcanic islands of Nikamni and Pyrrhissa.
Overall, FIRA offers a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors, combining rich history, breathtaking natural beauty, and a lively atmosphere.
It is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the Greek islands and seeking a true taste of Santorini.
You